Thank you for purchasing with the National Academy of Sports Medicine and AFA. After your purchase, you'll receive an email that'll provide a link with more information on the courses that you purchased. Once you're in this email, you can click on the link. This will provide you with more information with regards to the items that you purchased, general information, as well as information specific to different courses. When you're ready to log in, you'll want to go to www.nasm.org. Here you can click Login in the upper right corner. Here you will want to enter your email address that you signed up with and your password. If you did not receive your password or do not remember your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link where you can enter the email address you signed up with and it will email you a new password. Once you log in, you can click on My Account. On your account page, you can find information about your courses, your account, certificates, exam information, discounts, resources, as well as the NASM recertification portal and AFA recertification information. When you're ready to log into a course, click on Courses. Here you will see a list of courses you have access to. Once you're ready to enter a course, you'll want to click on the blue play button to enter any of your courses. Once you enter your course, after completing the terms and conditions, you can get started on the first section of your course. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 1-800-460-6276. Select option 2. Thank you for purchasing with NASM and AFA.